I'm at a customer's house. Last name is Balan or Balan. 3 flash is a pressure switch. So I unhook these, check continuity. It's closed. I do go ahead and take this off and check with my manometer and see if it's pulling the value 0.5 inches water column. It is. I check these two. Take this off. I know that this yellow wire is 24 volts coming in. This goes back to the board. I check for 24 volts. Here to common, and I have it. I hook this back up. I go down here. This is that wire. Check for 24 volts there to common, and I have it. And then if you wiggle, there we go. And then it'll flex and give you a 3 flash. So while it's telling me it's a pressure switch, I verify I've got enough to close it. I verify voltage to it. I verify voltage out of it. I verify voltage where it lands there. Oh, it's going to go now. Maybe. Either way, that's a bad board.